When she sit down on the table, I look, me look and she, I go, here. Eh. Me know me come and want seafood. Eh. Eh. I force me ever belch in a vowels. Eh. Eh. Ay. Oh. I force me ever belch in a vowels. Me say me I want you for seafood, me come our tea party. I never know. Me say when she sit down in me say when me look, me say sometimes me have to look pan she. Me just turn with my head. Cause me no want look, you know. Cause you that thing say the crab ride my stomach, which is a lie. Me say from she come in before me even get the food. I glimpse her in the pan. Before she reach me. Me say when she sit down, you know, when you clamp your body hard, you know, cause you know, one fart in a public, it can damage you, you know. Me say when she sit down, you know, and she want the tray around the table, and some people they right just behind me on one next table. You just when them she sit down and me look and she, my vision catch her, you know. Me say my body want to let out something and then through my whole big, you know, anything can drop out at any given time. Me say I clamp it, you see, and the clamp when me go clamp it, it look like the poop change to belch me there and yeah. No, sir. No. Nessa purple, that little girl I walk with some things. You know, happy kind of people. Right, you know, when I'm going to unpack, you know. Oh. I'm going to unpack, so me join on the later, yeah. I'm going to unpack. Cause boy, this heavy my shoulder. I want some bengi, you know. I want some bengi. So when you travel with luggage, it's hard. Yes, people make a sauce down here so with some bengi. What you mean not yet? No man, later I come back, man. Today is Shenanigans Thursday. Later I come back, man. Me love you, no man. Me got sauce down here so it feel like a two part of the bag, but all the same bus part. And the breeze me feel, you know. So the landlord come in a rush. And the breeze me feel. Me love you, no, man. Later, man. Not do me that. Remember, me love you, no. Little more. Stay blessed and keep sweet. Here. Walk good and remember to put God before everything and everyone. And watch the friends where you smoke with and run jokes with. And them quick will tell you things when it comes quick.